We divide 955 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 5 and it is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 5 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So 955 divided by 5 is 191. So this much for today and thanks for watching.